Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a passport size photo in Adobe Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So this is the photo which I want to convert into passport size. For that we just have to go to the crop mode, and once you are here we have to type here 1.5 like this, and here type 2, and once you done that you will get this box, and this is the standard size of a passport photo. And if you want to make it bigger you can go ahead, but this is the standard size, so I will go with this. And here you can make it smaller, bigger, whatever you want to do you can do that, and inside you can easily move your photo. So this is going to be perfect for me, so I will just leave it as it is, and now hit enter. Once you hit enter you will get your crop photo, and now here we are going to click on background, double click here, then you will see this option, we have to click on OK. And now here we have to again right click, and then you have to click on now convert to smart object. And now we are going to add stroke around the photo. So to add that, just hit again right click, and you will see the option blending options, here the option as stroke, click here, and now here we have to select the color of our stroke. So in my case I'm going to add stroke in gray color, so I can just select it like this, and now hit OK. And once you are here we have to position this like from outside to inside, and we can increase the size. So this is fine for me, and I will leave it here. And once you've done that, just hit on OK. So as you can see, our photo is now looking good, and we have to convert it into smart object again. Just hit right click on the photo and hit on convert to smart object. And once you've done that, just hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy this photo. And once you copy the photo, go to the file, add here new file, and here we have to choose whatever template you want. I will go with landscape and hit on create. And as you can see we got the white background here. We have to now hit Ctrl+V, and the photo is now here. To transform, just hit Ctrl+T on your keyboard, then you will see these options. You can just hold Alt on keyboard and just make your cursor down like this. The photo will get smaller, and you can now easily set the photo according to you. And now click anywhere else, and we are going to make many copies of this photo. So how we can do that, just hold Alt key and move your cursor like this. So this is how you can make multiple copies of your photos, and also you can select many photos at a time. This is how you can create passport size photos in Adobe Photoshop. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.